Ever wondered how to make perfect French crepes at home? Originating from Brittany, a region in northwest France, crepes have charmed palates across the globe with their light, delicate texture and versatility. Simply put, they're thin pancakes that serve as a canvas for a myriad of sweet or savory fillings. The magic of crepes lies in their simplicity, a batter of flour, eggs, milk, and butter cooked to golden perfection. Intriguing, isn't it? So, are you ready to whip up some delicious crepes? Let's delve into the process step by step. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need some basic pantry staples: flour, eggs, milk, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt. The flour is our base, the foundation of our crepe. It gives structure and body. The eggs are our binding agent, pulling everything together into a cohesive whole. They also contribute to the golden hue of our finished crepe. Next up is milk, the liquid component that thins out the batter, ensuring our crepes are delicate and not too doughy. Butter adds richness and a velvety texture, while the sugar lends a subtle sweetness that balances out the savory elements. And don't forget that dash of salt. It's a little thing that makes all the other flavors pop. Remember, the magic of making crepes lies in the balance of these ingredients. It's not just about tossing things in a bowl, it's about how they all work together to create something truly delicious. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. The secret to a perfect crepe lies in the batter. Indeed, it's the heart of our delightful French treat. So let's get started on making the crepe batter. First, take a large bowl and crack in 4 fresh eggs. To this, add 2 cups of milk. Now, don't rush this process. Pour in the milk slowly, whisking it with the eggs to create a smooth mixture. Next, we sift in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Sifting is essential to avoid lumps in your batter. While sifting, whisk the mixture simultaneously to ensure it blends well. You're aiming for a consistency that's similar to heavy cream. If it's too thick, don't hesitate to add a little more milk. Lastly, we'll mix in 3 tablespoons of melted butter for that rich, velvety touch. Whisk it all together, and voila, your crepe batter is ready. Remember, a smooth, lump-free mixture is key to achieving the perfect crepe. With the batter all set, let's move on to the fun part, cooking the crepes. Now comes the exciting part, cooking the crepes. First, you'll need to heat your pan. A non-stick pan is ideal for this, and you'll want it to be at a medium heat. Not too hot, not too cold. You're looking for that Goldilocks zone where the crepe will cook evenly without burning. Next, pour in some of your well-rested crepe batter. You don't need a lot, just a thin layer will do. As soon as the batter hits the pan, quickly tilt it in a circular motion, spreading the batter evenly across the surface. Now, patience is key. Let the crepe cook for about a minute until the edges start to lift slightly and the underside is lightly golden. This is your cue to flip it. Yes, flipping can be a bit daunting, but fear not. You can use a spatula, or if you're feeling adventurous, give it a quick flick of the wrist. Once flipped, let the crepe cook for another half a minute to a minute. You're looking for a beautiful golden color here. And what about fillings and toppings? Oh, the possibilities are endless. You could go classic with a simple dusting of sugar and a squeeze of lemon, or get creative with Nutella, fresh fruit, or even savory fillings like ham and cheese. And voila! You have just made a batch of perfect French crepes. So, that's how you make a perfect French crepe at home. Simple, isn't it? We started off gathering our ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, butter, and a pinch of salt. Then we combined them to create the silky smooth batter, making sure to let it rest for about an hour, remember? Patience is key in achieving the perfect consistency. Next, we heated up our pan and ladled in the batter, swirling it around to get that thin, delicate layer. After a couple of minutes, we flipped it to cook evenly on both sides. Voila, the crepe was done. But don't stop there. This is just the beginning. Feel free to experiment with various fillings and toppings: sweet, savory, fruity, or chocolatey. The choice is yours. Let your taste buds guide you. Remember, cooking is an art, and every artist needs a canvas. Let the crepe be yours. Once you've mastered this recipe, the possibilities are endless. Happy cooking!